Hello guys, this is Super J's course and welcome to my channel. So I have this a new HDT P98i remote control that I bought on Shopee and I tested it. So all buttons are working but the direction buttons are doesn't work and it was incomplete codes of the remote control. So let's try this. Okay, if I press the setup menu, the input password, so optional 0000, and I press it, the direction button. Oh no, it doesn't work, but it works. Enter button, and let's see this, it turns on and off. And now let's try the number buttons here. So I don't use speaker right now because it's midnight. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Alright, so buttons are work. Now let's try this. 25630. Press. If I press it, PBC, that's reserve, and it works. Now let's try another one. So I turn off the speaker right now, and I don't need this for sound because sometimes I copyright. Now let's try this one. And yes, it's different. So if I cancel it and press the numbers first and then delete and try to press the cancel button or delete button, if I select, yes, it's working. Now let's try the key control. Yes, it works. And this one is tempo. Yes, it works. And let's try it. USB. And press stop button first. Now let's try this one. So press select new song. Yes, it works. Now let's try this page. That's right. Yes, it works. So it fits a page button. You can move here. Now let's try this one. If we move direction buttons. No way, it doesn't work. It's incomplete. It's only enter buttons. Yes. It's the title BB call. So let's try post it. Alright. Okay, so find it. So some buttons are working. So instead of direction buttons, that's incomplete codes on the remote. Now to see the lyrics for first verse, I press it. Yes, it turns on and off. So only one verse on the song. And now let's change it. BGV button, that changes the backgrounds videos. And yes, so we have 6 BGVs on this update, 26158. And yes, alright, it's working. And then press stop. And if you press it, the first reverse, so let's try this. And number 2, if you press the PBC, that's reverse, let's try it. Number 4, if you press the first reverse and the first song's next, Yes, it's working. Press the mute button. It turns off and on the sounds. Now let's stop it. So it works on the MTV expansion, but I insert the USB at the back of the HDT P98i player. So I have this one, but this update, there's no MTV on the updates on the CD. It's only an HDT jingle on this MTV, but MP3 is there. It's 176 songs on this update. So that's for all. And did you enjoy the videos here? And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again for the next course. Spread the love, guys.